Stop downplaying yourself for the sake of others. It's robbing you of your life. You know that feeling, the automatic yes, the practice smile, the silence that stops you from expressing your true thoughts. It might seem safe in the moment, but it builds up into a life that doesn't belong to you. People-pleasing is a subtle form of theft. It drains your time, energy, and dignity. If you take away one thing today, let it be this: you don't owe anyone your life just to keep them comfortable. Take back the reins of control. The Stoic approach to people-pleasing isn't about being cruel or isolating yourself. It's about sovereignty. It's about deciding what's yours to manage and refusing to hand over your inner authority to the shifting moods of others. Now here are the 10 Stoic truths that can help you break free from people-pleasing. Each truth is straightforward, tough, and practical. Read them, absorb them, and start putting them into action today. Number 1. You control your choices, not how others react. This is the cornerstone. Epictetus taught that life is a mix of what we can control and what we can't. Remember, you can't just demand approval from others. Your choices should reflect that. When you agree to something out of fear, you're essentially giving someone else the driver's seat. Next up, saying no is about clarity, not being cruel. Think of no as a form of medicine. Get comfortable with short, calm refusals. Try saying, "I can't," or "not right now," or "that doesn't work for me." Each honest no helps you save energy for what truly matters. Most people can handle a single refusal without a hitch, and it opens you up for better opportunities. Now let's talk about guilt. Often, it's just a conditioned response, not a moral judgment. Seneca pointed out that we tend to suffer more in our minds than in real life. So, when guilt creeps in after you set a boundary, pause and ask yourself, is this guilt genuine or just something I've rehearsed? Learn to sit with that feeling and let it drift away. Moving on. Integrity is more valuable than immediate comfort. The joy of being liked is fleeting, but integrity lasts. It's about being the same person in private as you are in public. Marcus Aurelius said that our soul needs to be consistent with itself, and that kind of consistency brings lasting peace. Finally, think of refusal as a muscle you need to train. Small, consistent actions build strength over time. Start with one tiny boundary each day. Protect just 1 hour. Say no to one extra task. As you strengthen that muscle, your anxiety will lessen. Monius Rufus emphasized the importance of practice over theory, so get to work. And remember to draw a clear line around what you can control. In any situation, take a moment to mentally list what's yours to manage. Let's break it down and see what's truly yours and what's influenced by others. Your time, your values, your energy, those are all yours. But the opinions of others? Not so much. When you recognize that boundary, taking action becomes a lot simpler. Now, on to number 7. Thinking ahead about the minor setbacks can really help ease your fears. Picture the worst-case scenario when you say no. Maybe it's a terse reply, a chilly reception, or just a bit of awkwardness. A lot of our fears are just exaggerated tales we tell ourselves. Premeditatio malorum helps you brace for those little storms with a sense of calm. Moving on to number 8. Honest folks will appreciate your honesty, while opportunists won't. Setting boundaries helps you see who's genuinely solid and who's just convenient. Let those weak reactions act as a filter. Look for relationships that demand courage rather than constant compromise. As Seneca wisely said, surround yourself with those who uplift you. Number 9. Speak your truth calmly, not with a fiery passion. Real courage isn't about shouting. It's about maintaining a steady voice. When you need to refuse or set limits, keep it short and unemotional. A simple "I can't do that" can diffuse drama and keep your dignity intact. And finally, number 10. Freedom is built through a series of small refusals. It's not about one grand act of rebellion. It's the little moments of self-sovereignty that add up. Each no, every hour you protect, and each honest statement is like laying a brick. So build your life one brick at a time. When these truths are not just understood, but truly lived, something profound shifts within you. You stop the endless negotiations with yourself. Instead of molding your days around the fear of disappointing others, you start to live from the inside out, rather than the outside in. The world may not soften for you, but you learn to stand firm against the parts that used to bend you. This transformation isn't always dramatic at first. It often begins with subtle moments that most people might overlook. It's the choice to leave a message unanswered until you feel clear about it. It's about guarding that precious free hour instead of giving it up just to keep someone else happy. It's a quiet refusal to apologize for your needs. These aren't trivial moments. They're the foundational bricks of a life that truly belongs to you again. People-pleasing doesn't fade away through anger or lengthy explanations. It fades through countless calm decisions to prioritize yourself. Each time you choose authenticity over compliance, you reclaim a piece of the person you were before fear took over. And as enough of those pieces come back, the old version of you, the compliant, empty, agreeable shadow, no longer fits into the life you're creating. Others will take notice. Some may react to your boundaries as if something is wrong, as if you owe the world your exhaustion. Let them be upset. They can either adapt or walk away. Stoicism doesn't require you to be in harmony with everyone. It calls for harmony within yourself, so you can live in alignment with your values, your purpose, and your limited time. That's the only loyalty you truly owe. And remember, there's a cost to this journey. Reclaiming your true self is essential, and the price of ignoring that is far steeper. Living a life just to please others is like rehearsing your own disappearance. You entered this world with a unique voice, and succumbing to people-pleasing is a slow decay that can make you feel like you're fading away before your time. The Stoics would argue that the greatest tragedy is squandering the life that you still have control over. When that urge to please creeps back in, and trust me, it will, keep in mind the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. If it doesn't feel right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it. That's the standard we should hold ourselves to, not comfort, not approval, not ease, but truth and right action. If saying yes compromises either of those, then it's a no, whether it's spoken or not. You don't have to shrink yourself just to avoid the discomfort of others' expectations. This world doesn't reward those who vanish for the sake of peace. It simply consumes them. The only life worth living is one you could stand by, even on your last day. No one else will speak up for you then. Their opinions won't save you. Your choices will. So take this to heart, not just for the moment, but as a guiding principle. Stop being a reflection of what others want. Instead, become a solid wall that your mind can lean against without shame. Take control of your life, or the world will take control of you.